Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to Thursday and today's core workout. Today we have 5 different exercises, 150 repetitions in total. So we're going to do 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10 of each exercise. Like I said, it's Thursday, we're doing core. Let me know if you guys want to continue doing core on Thursdays, kind of stay consistent. I need to switch it up. It's been core Thursdays for the last few weeks, and then Monday has been a kind of a weight training session. So if you want to stick with core Thursdays, let me know. If you want to switch it up, also let me know. So let's get started with the first exercise. We have straight arm crunches. We are going for 50 repetitions. We're not wasting any time either. Let's get down on the ground and get these done. Previews on the screen right now. Arms straight up in the air. You're gonna go up to about 45 degrees and call it there. We're going for 50. Ready in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1. Constant tension on that core. 2. It's going to be a lot of counting today, guys. Sorry about that. 3. 4 more to be 20% done. And that's 10. 40 left. Keep it up. 8, come on. 9. 20, let's do 5 more for halfway. 1. 2. 3. 4. And we're halfway. Keep it up, guys. 25 left. Halfway up, 45 degrees, and nice and slow on the way down. And 5, 20 left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep those arms pointed in the air. 7, I think. Call it 8. 9. And 10. 10 more. We got this now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5 left. Let's count it down with me. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, last 1, and 1, and lay back down. And there we go. Whew. That does it for set number 1. Boy, I was feeling it. Last 25, actually. I always say, hey, my workout's your workout. So you might see me struggling with these two, but that's kind of how I like working out with you guys. So I like to push myself and not just pretend I'm doing the work. All right, that was exercise number 1. I'm not going to take too long of a break. We'll move it on to exercise number 2. Get into your plank position, one leg out, put it down on the ground, quick tip, and quick tip on the other side, all right? We are going for 40 repetitions, so 20 per leg. Try to keep as best of a plank as you can. So do look like a board, tighten up that core, and as always, do your best. We are not judging here. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Leg out, back, out, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, tap for 12, keep it up, 14, 16, 18, 20, halfway done. Two more for 30. Keep it up. 10 left. 8 now. 6. 4. Last one. And there we go. Well, that went a lot quicker in the sit-ups, but still, I started feeling about halfway through. All right, everybody's favorite candlestick raises. So on the ground, I'm gonna try to give myself as much room as I can because my butt does scoot over towards this wall as I do these. So we did 50, we did 40. We are down to 30 repetitions. Let's catch our breaths for a few more seconds and then we'll keep on moving. All right, protect the lower back if you have to. Try to keep it squeezed to the ground as your legs lower. We're going for 30 reps. You guys ready to go? My microphone is gonna roll up. Sound might be jacked, but don't worry about the sound. Worry about the 30 repetitions of candlesticks that we're doing. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Legs out and up. 1, 2, 1, 4. Keep it up. 1, 6. Keep it up. 1, 8. Keep going. 1. That's 10. 12. 14. Halfway. Push it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 left. Keep it up. 1, 2. Keep going. 3, 4. Last 1 and 5. All right. We have 30 reps left. I'm going to stand up a little bit. Shake out that core. That's right. Let that flab shake it out a little bit. Move those hips a little. Feels nice just to get up off the ground. All right. Walking planks. Preview's up right now. 20 of them. I'm just going to go back and forth. A couple little steps forward, a couple little steps back. A couple little steps forward and a couple little steps back. Nice and easy. All right, you guys ready to go? On the ground. Up is 1, back is 2. Up is 3, back is 4. I'm going forward first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that'll be 1. So, plank position on the elbows. Ready? I'm up against the wall, and let's go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep everything as tight as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trust me, I'm trying. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4, 5, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14. 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 more. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more. There and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Woo! Alrighty, alrighty. Boy, this is like cardio and core all built into one. Last exercise, guys. 10 reps. Crunchy frog, one of my favorites. Single leg, double leg, 1 rep. We're going for 10. They'll give us 150 repetitions for this workout. All right, let's show some love towards the frog. You guys ready to go? You can either crunch your leg or stay back here. I choose to stay back here, I think. Maybe I'll switch it up. I'm not sure. Ready? Legs up. 1, 2, both. That's 1. 1, 2, both. That's 2. 1, 2. Boom. That's 3. 1, 2. Keep those legs up in the air. 4. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 9. Last one. 1, 2, and 10. All right, here we go on that last one, last repetition. It was a little tough to bring all of it in. I don't know if it was the flavor around my stomach or the fact that my core is pretty much shot. Anyway, guys, that was our 150 repetition Thursday core workout. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Paul. Workouts come on every Monday and every Thursday. It'll be 5 years in a couple of weeks. Thanks for joining me today again, and I'll see you guys during your next workout.